I'm Kagan Harsha, and thanks for joining us back here in your local election headquarters. We've got some new results just into our newsroom tonight. The first one concerning ballot measure Proposition EE here. This involves raising the tobacco tax in the state of Colorado. This one passing tonight means you're going to pay a lot more for cigarettes, also e-cigarettes and vaping products. A margin of victory here, 69% to 31%. This will talk about raising the taxes on a pack of cigarettes from 84 cents for each pack sold all the way up to $2.64 per pack by the year of July of 2027. This is going to be done incrementally. Notably here, though, nicotine products like vapes and e-cigarettes are currently not taxed. Under this Proposition EE, they will be taxed at a rate of 30% of the manufacturer's list price. That will start in the year 2021, and that percentage is going to grow up incrementally to 62% by July 2027. Opponents seeing vaping here as a healthier alternative to wean people off of cigarettes, not wanting those vaping and e-cigarette products to be taxed, but they will now that Proposition EE has passed.